Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel resume.io subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to type on any search browser like cancel resume.io. Okay, and once you get the results, you need to click on the first one result, cancel your subscription. Okay, but before clicking on this link, you need to make sure you have already logged in into your account. If you're not logged in into your account, then it will not show you a subscription plan. Okay, so make sure you have logged in with your correct email ID. Okay, and once you click on this option, it will show you a new window. On this window you will see your all the active subscriptions, and you can cancel your subscription by using, or you can say by following the steps they have prompted, or you can say you have to follow each and every prompt. Okay, you can also use email for cancellation subscription. If your online cancellation is not working, then in that case you can also send an email related to your cancellation subscription. You need to compose an email like you want to cancel your subscription. In the email you need to provide each and every information. You can see each and every information of email, in which you have to type these kind of information on your email and mention starting date, end date of your current subscription plan, and you need to provide your registered email ID, so by which they can identify your subscription. And after composing each and every you can say information in the email, and you can send the email to this email address, support@resume.io. once they receive your email, and they will ask you some questions related to subscription maybe, and after confirming each and every information, they will cancel your subscription and they will send you an email related to cancellation. So make sure you need to ask for proof of cancellation, otherwise they will charge you again and again. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your subscription very easily.